Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today I am unboxing a Naked Beauty box. I've had this for, I don't know, a month or so, and it is full of great beauty products. And then I have a new subscription to me, and this is the Kiran and Hiri. And there's a reason that I got this box. So stay tuned, stay tuned, and I'll show you what's in them. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, there are no words. Thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And I am putting together a nice big giveaway once I reach my 4,500 subscribers. So please share my videos, share my content. I am really trying so hard to reach 4,500 so I can do this great giveaway. So let's get into what you came for. The Naked Beauty box, I had this for several months, and then I was kind of trimming down on all my beauty and skincare and makeup because I had so much and I wasn't using it. And so this was the last box I got, and I completely forgot to unbox it. So we'll unbox this together. So I want to say it's like $25 a box. And I do have a referral code where you can save $5 off your first box. And I do enjoy this. And once I get back, I might pick it up again. And they put a sweet card in there. It says, "Thank you. I hope you enjoy." It's May's box. May's box as much as I did curating it for you. XO Kate. And you are more powerful than you know. You are beautiful just as you are, Melissa Etheridge. So they put in this nice customized card. And then there's the pamphlet with all the products that are in it. So the first thing is by Yorli Spirulina, All Natural Mind, Body, and Beauty. And this looks like, I don't know what it is. It's mushy. Okay. It's a face mask, I think, that you make. All right, enjoy it. Inside and out, our spirulina can be ingested and used topically. All natural, non-GMO, keto-friendly, gluten-free, paleo. So it's a skin treatment and it's edible. It's a superfood for healthy elixirs. And there's directions on the back. So this will probably be something I will not try. Anything that I have to cook or create usually doesn't get done. But I want to tell you, it's like really mushy. So if anybody has tried this, let me know. So that is our first item, and it retails for $29. Different. And then we have, for Blackheads, pore strips. And these are Platin pore strips. They retail for $20, and they're a blackhead removal. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 6 of them. I will not use these. I really, at my age, don't have these kind of issues. But they're nice to get, again, and they retail for $20. And This mask helps remove stains or oil spots from your face with the weekly use. And our next item is the Soon Hydrating Watermelon Lip Mask. I can tell you I love these. I just got an eye mask in a box and I love these. So these are definitely keepers. And this retails for $16. So definitely a keeper. So as I said, this is a skincare box. Oh, and we got another lip mask. And, how exciting, we got a strawberry lip mask with collagen and another strawberry mask with collagen. So we got 4 lip masks for $16 was the retail. Loving that. Ooh. So we got, look at these cute things. They look like little jugs. We got 3. Put my paper down. Look at how cute these are. Now we're getting into that fun stuff. So we got 3 of these Urban Doll Kiss Babafant face masks. Retail value is $9. Enjoy 3 juicy masks from Doll Kiss. You will receive a combination of 3 masks, either pomegranate, green tea, aloe, or avocado. These masks are great for soothing, brightening, and moisturizing the skin. So, oops. So how fun are these? And, okay, this is impressive. Collagen Crystal Neck Mask for $7. Can be used on neck or chest area to smooth wrinkles, brightening and moisturizing the neck. Neck mask will gradually dissolve under body temperature and permeate quickly into the skin and stimulate cells, regenerate and repair. How cool isn't that? So you can use it, you can use it on your neck or you can use it here. God, I wish I had 2 of these. I have never even heard of one of these before. So if this works, I am definitely gonna order another one. So yeah, that is cool. Maybe when I do my first live, I will use this because this sounds awesome. So we got in this box, as I said, it's $25. I do have a $5 coupon code, but we got the 4 lip masks for $16. The 3 face masks, those cute little jugs, and the neck mask for $7, and the 6 Blackheads, which I will not use. If you want me to put them in a giveaway, let me know. And then this, now I will not use it. If anybody's heard of it, if anybody wants this, or knows how it works, let me know. So this was a great, as I said, it's a great skincare box. So if you're looking for just that perfect skincare box, this is the box to go with. So I did love it because, as I said, it focuses on your skin, which is really what somebody of my age needs to do. So let me know what you think. Leave in the comments below. And now we are gonna go into the box that I ordered and you'll see why. I saw this unboxed on Lucia Laughing Without an Accents channel. You have to check her out. She unboxes, I don't know where she finds these boxes, but she unboxes a lot. And they have like an adult box and a kid box, but she unboxed this particular one and it was last month's box. So I hurried up and went on there to see if I can get it. And hopefully it is that box. And I want to say it was like 20 something, but they had for your first sign up, it was 40% off or something like that. So I paid like $16 for this box. And they included this cute little card. And it says, "Dear Robin, thanks." It's hard because they've got two things. Where's Sherlock? "Thanks for being a customer. As a token of our appreciation, we've included some erasers for you. We hope you enjoy your box and hope you'll consider becoming a subscriber." Oh, so that was sweet. It's again, it's not the type of box I would order all the time. "Thank you for ordering the Kiran box. We're prickled pink about this quarter's theme. Cactus and llamas. Inspired by our recent trip to the Southwest and our love of corny cactus puns. Getting to the point, we hope you enjoy opening this box as much as we love putting it together." And as a lot of my YouTubers know, I'm all about the cactus. So this is everything that's in the box. So they've included, is this an eraser? So there's a little giraffe eraser, and my 87-year-old mother collects giraffes, so I know where that'll be going. And then this eraser, I think it's a porcupine. And then, I'm not sure, there's a bunch of these little things in here. I'm not sure what they are. So the the first thing, I think they're magnets and they go on your refrigerator. So it's a cactus. It looks like they're magnets. And then this is a cup holder, reusable coffee cup sleeve. It's a cactus. And then we have, I can't tell, it looks like it's some snacks. And then another cactus. I'm not sure what it is, if it's a magnet. It says guest book, but I'm not sure what it is, but it's a cactus. And then we have Llama Love. Now, I don't know if you watch West Coast Week, Vicky there, but her daughter-in-law is teaching her kids Spanish, and it's some type of llama thing that she does. So Vicky, I have something for your daughter-in-law. And then we have a llama pen. And there's llama socks. And then there's a cactus cut out. And I think that's another cactus cut out. And I think that's it. So as I said, this isn't a box that I normally unbox on my channel, but I just thought it'd be so much fun to share my love of cactus. And I knew it had llama stuff in there, so I thought Vicky might get a kick out of that as well. And, oh, there's no cactus pen. For sharing in my little silliness of my little cactus box. So, you guys have an awesome day.